modules, right, that we are selecting, right, and we're passing the ID over to the lesson tabs. And the lesson tabs, we're going to try and fetch the tabs for that particular module. So let's do that. So in the lesson tabs, right, we have the module, and what we're going to do is that we're going to fetch the lessons for that module. And the API for that, I believe it was that if we take a look at all the lessons, do I have lessons in here? Yeah, I do have lessons. And we have the parent module. So we can say, we can use the API, we can use modules API, the ID, and then lessons. And so we can look at all the lessons for that particular module. So let's use that URL. And what we're going to do here, we're going to do a fetch here. We'll use that, that API. But instead of hard coding the ID of the modules, we can put a placeholder here for the module ID that we parsed out from the URL. This is going to return the lessons, which, well, I'm sorry, it's going to return first a response. We can parse the response, and then we can, the lessons that come out of here, we can copy it into our lessons array. Okay, let's see. So if you go back here, well, actually, I'm not quite sure if what are we doing with the lessons. Lessons is empty. Are we even rendering them in the HTML? No, we're not. We're not even rendering it. So let's render this as a UL. It's an LI. And we're going to iterate over the lesson in lessons. Right? And as we iterate, we're going to display the lesson title. Okay, none of these might have lessons actually. Let's see if we can find some lessons. cs5610. Do we have lessons here? None of these have lessons, really? cs1800. No, really? We're not getting any errors, are we? None of these might have lessons. cs5500. What? I don't have any lessons. Let me see the network, make sure that we are going out to fetch lessons. Module lessons, so that is correct. No, no, no. I don't have any lessons for these particular modules. cs5200, any lessons here? No, I don't have any lessons. I thought I had like a testing. No. cs5610, no. 1800, no. No. I'll have to create some lessons. So let's create a couple lessons, I guess.